Hi everyone, today we are doing Module 1 of VMath Level E, Lesson 4. So turn to page 13 to take some notes. This lesson is writing whole numbers using digits. So if we look here, we have these separate periods. Here's the billions, the millions, the thousands, and the ones. So if we look here, they put a number in here. So we have to figure out how many billions is there? There is 1 billion. So we would write 1 billion. How many million? 17. So we would write 1 billion, 17 million. And then thousands, 101, right here, 101 thousands. And then there's nothing in the one, so we don't need to write anything for that. So we would write 101,000. So pause if you need to and write that down. And then right here is a practice one for number 2, 8,064. So we have 8,000. There's no hundreds, but then 64. So we're going to practice more of that today, writing whole numbers using digits. Here's another one for number 3. 1,452,020,009. So we have 1 billion, so we're going to write a 1 and a comma. Then we have 452 million, so 452 million, put a comma. 20,000, so there's no 100,000s, but there's 20,000. And then 9, so no hundreds, no tens, but 9. So you have to really practice reading the number and then writing it out. So the next one is 5,000,007. So we have 5 million, there's no thousands, and then 7. There's no hundreds, no tens, 7. So 5,000,007. All right, if we look down here at Build the Concept, we can see an expanded form, 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 5. So when they did that, they added the thousands, so you would get 25,000. So write 25 and then write 1,000 right here. And then there's 200. And then they did 10 plus 5 is 15, so they already wrote that. So if we write that whole number out using digits, we have 25,215. Okay, so let's do these together. So write each number using digits. 3,520,071. So let's talk it out. So we have 3,520,000 and then 71. So there's no hundreds, but 71. So 3,520,071. Number 6, 1,049,700,906. So that's quite a big number. So let's do that. So we have 1,049 million. So there's no hundreds, but there's 49 million. 700,000, so 700,000s, and then 906. So we can see and we can read this number. It's hard to practice these big numbers, but we have 1,049,700,906. Number 7, 4,302,000. So let's do that. We have 4,302,000. So 302,000. And then there's nothing for the hundreds, tens, or ones. So 4,302,000. And the last one, 200,003. So no millions or billions, but there's 200,003. So when we read this, 200,003. All right, so to review this, when we write whole numbers through millions using digits, using symbols, first in green here we see 1 billion, 2 million, 33,013. So we're in green is 1 billion, so there's the 1 billion. So you're going to write the digit for the words to the left of the word billion, write a comma to the right of the digit, so 1, comma. So now we're in the blue, the 2 millions. So it says write the digit for the words to the left of the word million. Write a comma to the right of the digits. If there are billions and the word million is not there, you would write 3 zeros and a comma. So in this case, there's only 2 million, but if it just said 1 billion and then there were no millions, you would write 0, 0, 0. The next one down here is in green, 33,000. So it says write the digits for the words to the left of the word thousand. Write a comma to the right of the digits. If there are millions and the word thousand is not there, then you would write 3 zeros again. But we can see that there is 33,000. So 33,000. And the last one we can see down here in blue, 13. Then you would write the digits in the ones period. If there are no words to the right of the word thousand, write 3 zeros. But in this case, it says 13. So you would write, there's no hundreds, but then 13. All right, right now on your own, you're going to complete page 15. If you need help, make sure to ask your teacher. Good luck.